Hey, welcome! Have you ever had an idea for a cartoon, but thought, man, that's way too complicated? Well, today we're going to change that. I'm going to show you step by step how to create animated characters that speak your lines using an incredible AI tool that is completely free. I mean, let's be honest, who hasn't, right? For the longest time, animation just felt like this thing that was way out of reach for most of us. You'd need all this complex software and skills, but believe me, that's all changing. That's right. The barrier to entry? It's pretty much gone. I'm about to walk you through a tool that lets you create your own animated scenes with just a few clicks. And did I mention it's totally free to use? Okay, so first things first. What is this amazing tool? And more importantly, where do you find it? Let's get you all set up. The tool we're going to be using is Adobe's Animation Maker, and finding it is super easy. Just do a quick search for it, click that free Animation Maker link, sign in, and bam, you are ready to go. No downloads, no installations, it all just happens right there in your browser. All right, so once you're in, you'll see it's got a really clean, intuitive layout. Getting your first scene built really just boils down to 3 simple core steps. It really is this straightforward. You pick who you want in your scene, you choose a background to set the stage, and then you pick the right video size for wherever you plan on sharing it. That's it. Character, background, size. Simple as that. And you've got a ton of fun options to play around with here. There's this huge library of characters, people of all different ages and styles, and even some animals. The backgrounds are great too. Everything from an office to cool outdoor landscapes, so you can find the perfect spot for your story. And this size thing is super handy. You can format it for a YouTube video, an Instagram reel, pretty much any social platform you can think of. Okay, so you've got your character on set. Now for the really cool part, making them speak. This is where your creation actually starts to come alive. So you've got 2 great ways to give your character a voice. The first is super easy. Just hit the record button and speak your lines right into your computer's microphone. Or if you prefer, you can upload an audio file that you've already recorded, say on your phone or another device. Now for this example, the original creator just recorded a quick, funny line of dialogue on their phone, something about complaining that their car wasn't washed right. Let's see how the AI actually handles this audio. All right, we've got our character, our background is set, and our audio is ready to go. We are at the final step, and it's time to let the AI work its magic and put this all together for us. And here's the best part. You don't need to know a single thing about animation. All you do is click Browse, find your audio file, and upload it. From this point on, the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. It's pretty amazing. And you won't be sitting around waiting forever either. The tool starts processing right away. And usually, within just a couple of minutes, it's analyzed your audio, synced it up with the character, and generated your entire animated scene. The final result is just fantastic. The character's lips are perfectly synced to your words, which is cool enough on its own. But the AI also adds in all these natural hand gestures and little bits of body language that just make the whole performance feel so much more real and dynamic. It's seriously impressive for something that took just a few minutes. So what if you want to do more than just a single line? What if you want to build an entire story? Well, the process for that is beautifully simple. First, you just download your finished scene. Then you go back and repeat the whole process for your next character or the next line of dialogue. You can create as many of these little scenes as you need, and then just stitch them all together in any basic video editing app to create your full cartoon. So there you have it, a free, super accessible, and genuinely powerful tool that lets you turn your ideas into actual animations. You don't need any technical skills, just your own creativity and your voice. So I guess the only question left is, what stories will you create?